Let's check out the AXR4's 4 hybrid microphone preamps, found on the front. Powered by Rupert Neve Design's silk modelling tech, these add unparalleled harmonic warmth, clarity and fatness to recordings. Mic preamps are usually used to thicken vocals, guitars and other acoustic recordings, but here we're going to show off their talents by processing our electronic kick, snare and hi-hats. We'll activate these silk preamps and dial in some texture. The preamps can be flipped between 2 flavours, red and blue. This can be done via the front panel controls or the dspMix software. And Cubase users can also do this directly inside the DAW's control panel. So we can distort the kick a bit. So the blue is more sort of low mid.
Yeah. And the red?
Warmth, and the red's kind of slightly more, a bit more clarity.
Clarity, so that would work better on vocals, effectively.
Well, I think it's just case dependent. You can switch between them, but you can sort of hear. There's not as much sort of bottom end.
No, that's right.
I think the blue's better for kicks.
For kicks, yeah.
Definitely say more sort of bass lines.
Let's put it back on the blue.
Boom. Turn the input, it's a bit too much there.
Cool.
We're obviously hitting these preamps pretty hard here, but when used subtly, their warmth and colour will make a massive difference once multiple signals are combined in a mix.